Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're gonna be taking a closer look at SVE's Forged CFX wheel, designed specifically for the 2020 and newer GT500s. So let's get right into it. The forged aluminum CFX wheel is an extension of the popular flow-form version, except this iteration is engineered specifically for 2020 and newer GT500s only. The forged aluminum CFX wheel features a killer 7-spoke design with a recessed center section. The spokes carry all the way to the edge of the wheel, and in the middle area of the spoke is indented, which further adds depth and dimension to the overall look of the wheel. Currently, the wheel is available in either a gloss graphite or gloss black finishes, and included with each wheel is an SVE center cap. As you can tell by the name, the forged aluminum CFX wheel is constructed from aluminum using a forging process. Now, to keep it simple and to not get too far down the rabbit hole of forged wheels, the forging process begins with a single piece of billet aluminum. The billet is then heated to extreme temperatures and then pressurized to compress the material, forcing it to form to shape. After stamping, they are then fully CNC machined to finish the design. The end result is a wheel that is optimized for weight savings and strength. One area that you can tell that the wheel is forged is the back of the spoke. On traditional cast and flow form wheels, the back of the spoke has a cavity where the casting is visible. Because of the forging process, the back of the spoke is completely smooth on forged wheels. Now let's take a look at some specs. The front wheel measures 20 inches in diameter, it's 11 inches wide, has a positive 32mm offset, 7.26 inches of back spacing, and they're gonna tip the scale at 29.6 pounds. The rear wheel is also 20 inches in diameter. It's 11.5 inches wide, has a positive 48mm offset, 8.14 inches of back spacing, and they actually are just a tad lighter than the front wheels, weighing in at 29.3 pounds. Now I would like to talk about the overall weights of the wheels. The base model GT500 front wheel weighs 35.3 pounds, and the rear wheel weighs 32.4 pounds. Now let's go ahead and crunch some numbers. In total, the forged aluminum CFX wheels save 17.6 pounds of unsprung weight. Now, I'm no engineer, but I do understand basic physics, and that's some good unsprung weight savings, so you will definitely feel this when you drive the car. Also, for what it's worth, the carbon fiber wheels weigh about 17 pounds apiece, so you're going to add 49.8 pounds if you plan on preserving your carbon fiber wheels and switching to the CFXs. As always, it's important that you read through the product description and the fitment notes on the website before purchasing your wheels. After all, we do a really good job of providing as much relative information as we can. That way you're both educated and confident in your purchase. We figured most of you would like to either reuse your stock tires or purchase new factory spec tires with the forged aluminum CFX wheels, so these are going to be sold in a wheel-only kit. Like all SVE wheels, these forged aluminum CFXs are supported by a great warranty. If you would like to know more information on that warranty, check out the product pages. All right, folks, so a few takeaways from the forged aluminum CFX wheels is that they have a great-looking 7-spoke design. They're gonna save 17.6 pounds of unsprung weight when compared to the base GT500 wheels, and they have that forged construction that offers the high-end look, feel, and performance. I hope you enjoyed this video and you appreciate our commitment to great parts. If you did like the video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things 2020 and newer GT500, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.